Hi! Before we start, please click the notification bell at follow us sa ating Facebook page at Instagram para lagi tayong updated sa ating latest recipes. Mabuhay sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our channel. It's more fun in the kitchen. My name is Mama Shirley.
My name is Aliana.
Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng MAJA Jelly. Ito yung pinag-combine na MAJA Blanca at Gelatin. Instead na purong cornstarch ang gagamitin natin panset ng ating yummy dessert, hahaluan natin ito ng gelatin powder. Ang eksaktong measurement nito ay makikita sa description box.
Let's get started and enjoy watching. In a bowl, add the ingredients one by one. Mix.
Over medium heat, painitin natin ito. At kapag may lumalabas sa mga maliliit na bubbles o bago ito kumulo, turn off your stove. I-transfer natin ito sa lalagyanan and let it cool in room temperature for 30 minutes. Then keep this in the fridge for minimum 2 hours.
For garnish, sprinkle it with my favorite cheese. And now it's done. Our MAJA Jelly.
Hi guys, kain tayo! Wow. Ang sarap. Guys, yung texture niya, hindi siya yung mala ala jelly type at hindi rin siya yung talaga MAJA Blanca na medyo malapot na yung pagka-thick ng kanyang cornstarch. So ito, balance lahat. This is the best so far sa ating Smart Fun in the Kitchen na dessert. MAJA Blanca plus jelly, MAJA Jelly. Ayan po guys, maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. At marami din tayo nagawang mga corn recipe. And if you want to watch that video, please click the link in the description box.